What's up, everyone? Welcome to this episode, another episode, returning episode of Ugly Spot Killer Shot. And so here we are, downtown St. Louis, urban, gritty location. And I know what you're thinking. If you don't have an urban, gritty location, right? We all want what we don't have. You're thinking, oh, that's a killer spot. I'd shoot there. But look around, it's grit, right? And it's harsh light here. So how do we make this work? So give him a camera, lady, give him a tour. So you can see we've got some bad shadows. Gray washed wall, gritty wall.
You guys are allowed to be on camera.
Yeah.
Just turn your back. They'll just turn away.
We're not here. So anyway, you're seeing the location. There's a lot of opportunities here, but how do you make it work, right? So much of what we do, I talk about it all the time, and we'll get right into it, is contrast, right? What she's wearing. So we've got a gray wall, right? Very monochromatic looking. We've got a black outfit, and I think that'll work. So sun's coming in and out. So I do this a lot when I'm working. I look at, we're in harsh light. Now the sun just went behind a cloud. From like here out is horrible sun. So I've got from here to back to work with, and I might pull her out far enough where she's getting edge light on her hair. That'll give her some separation. Remember, I'm trying to make this look as close to studio level portrait as I can, even though we're on location. The other thing I might do is I'm gonna photograph shallow depth of field, f2, right, wide open. I'm using a 28-70 lens, so I'm gonna get a tight shot of her and a wide shot. And if I can pull those two things off, victory's mine, right? So let's get to it, and then I'll show you some other things, how we change angles to make this location look good. All right, so we got 2870. Blair, let's put you right here. I'm gonna put you right on this crack. Big heels. All right, let's see. So spread that stance for me, Blair. Like that, pop that hip this way. All right, you're gonna look at me. Let me see you looking away, and then we'll go through it. All right, so some things to consider. Sometimes lighting makes a big difference, and the sun's behind clouds right now. So I'm gonna take a few shots in the beginning, and it's really just gonna be open shade is what we're photographing in. It's gonna look good. I'm gonna be happy with it, but when that sun pops back out, which it should in a second, I'm gonna throw a reflector at it, and then it's really gonna pop, okay? All right, so let's work this right there. Pop that hip more. Good. So I like this from a wide shot. It's really interesting, but it's also very flat. Let me see you looking off that way. Yep, I love that, Blair. Good, stunning. Let me get some vertical. I always like to mix this up. So the shallow depth of field is really creating, a decent separation from the background, but without light, I just really think this is an average shot. We need that light there. So a couple of things we can do. Let's say it's an overcast day. We can take this reflector, let's put it right on her waist. Looking right at me. Yeah, so here it is on, watch her eyes, drop it, off. Just a silver reflector right at her waist. This is a trick I use all the time in here. So now I'm gonna get this nice portrait of her, bring it up right there, Looking at me, beautiful. 1, 2. So this is giving some life to her eyes. If not, drop that reflector. What's gonna end up happening, you're gonna see this on screen. You might make the mistake of thinking both are good shots. They're not. The one that has that reflector, even though it's at her waist and no direct light was hitting her at the time, it's bringing life to her eyes. We want that pop. Okay, so now here we go. Now you can see on her, she's got some really nice edge light on her shoulders. Get the reflector off on her shoulders and the top of her head. This is what I wanted when I pulled up to this scene. So now we're gonna do that, and we're gonna fill with some silver reflector. So I may put you here, Molly, and then light her up a little bit, right there. Beautiful, okay? Here we go, looking at me. 1, 2, 3, gorgeous. Now we're popping. Close your eyes, 1, 2, 3, beautiful. Close your eyes, 1, 2, 3. Killer. I'm even getting a little bit of lens flare in this. I love this. Now I'm gonna come in, 1, 2, 3, beautiful. Looking away, go the other way, yeah, unfortunately. Look up over her head at that like South 55 sign. Close your eyes, 1, 2, 3, okay? So now I really like what I'm getting with this. And what I can do is, now, is there gold on the backside? Let's warm this up, right? So just with this lighting now, we're able to kind of flip this location, give it more depth, and get something that looks better than just a flat image. Let's throw gold, go to back to where Alicia is. Let me see it on, get closer and find it. There it is. Let me see it. Yeah, right there. Can you tolerate that? The light's okay? All right, here we go. So now we'll get gold. It should warm her skin up just a little bit. It's not gonna be a big change on camera, just so you know, guys. Okay, stay there with the light. Here we go, 1, 2, 3. Beautiful. Now I'm gonna put you back against this wall. Go all the way back. Go booty back. Pull those pants up again. Love that. Can you kind of bend one knee more than the other? Almost like you're in here, so stagger them a little. You know what I mean? Like almost like you're gonna sit and put your hands on your knees. Yep, I like that. Bring your chin to me. More. Keep coming. This hand, what if it's here? Yep, beautiful. Now what I want to do is I want to get some light, probably from this corner. All right, put that hand down. Give me pressure here. I'm okay with that. Nothing showing. Love that. Yeah, chin down. Top of your head, just a dinch here. Gorgeous. So now what I've done is I'm picking an angle to really change what I see in my camera. So now I'm not flat on the wall. At a shallow depth of field, I'm also giving myself a little bit more runway here, depth. Here we go. Am I blocking the light? Can you slide out? Right there. Chin down, close your eyes, chin down a little more. Remember that right hand? Yeah, sorry, you had it up here, chin this way a little more. Right there, beautiful. Close your eyes. 1, 2, 3, good. Chin this way, watch your expression. I know it's bright. Chin this way, yep. I need that kind of like playful expression out of you. Chin a little more left. Right there's where I need you, beautiful. Here we go, 1, 2, 3, gorgeous. So now, what this has given me is now a different view of her. Go back to silver, getting your squats in, good. Chin this way. What can we do with this right hand though? I'm okay here. What if, I don't want to see the palm. What if it's here, here? I don't want the back of the hand either. I need that side, yes. But it's almost, maybe it's over the ear. Chin this way, chin down. I even like it just up there, kind of air hand. No, where it was close here. A little closer. Yep, right there, beautiful, gorgeous. Here we go. I love this. This looks awesome, beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna keep working this wall. Lean back, I need help with her. So I want you to be on this wall, like leaning back against it. Okay, so I want you leaning back, so maybe your feet, but I want you to be here, so your shoulders are back. Yes, yes, love that stance. Go the other way. I think that way's better. Can you lock that left knee? I like that, because I like the arch in the back. I like the left hand hanging. Right hand, what if it's over your waist? Yep, I love that. Slide that chin to me, more, hard. Right there, more, eyes on me. That's what I want out of you, beautiful. Let me see this light, really soft in there. Right there, beautiful. So now here we are, we're really changing the look of this by changing our angles and composition. I love the way this is looking right now. Eye contact, beautiful. Oh my God, Blair, beautiful. I love this composition, guys. She's in the bottom left-hand corner, looking at camera. You got the bricks running away, okay? So this goes to show you, like, compositionally, we're creating something good. I want you looking down that way. Yes, right there, Blair, beautiful. Here we go, 1, 2. Man, I don't know if we can get better than that. Chin come off the wall, just a hair, down, right there, beautiful. Blair. Here we go, 1, 2. I'm addicted to this composition right now. Gorgeous, and that is it. Hey guys, maybe it wasn't the ugliest of locations, it's still pretty cool, but we do have our challenges in a location like this, and to me, I hope you love the images. You're getting to see how, like, we take the obvious shot, flat against that wall, right? And then we kind of pick a side and an angle, and we remove everything else that's here, and we're just focused on our subject, really focusing on color, depth of field, and lighting, okay? So color, we're getting this black and gray, just looks really sharp, right? Try this stuff out on your next photo shoot, or just challenge yourself to pick a spot you might not normally pick, and let's see what you can do. We'll see you in the next video.